Hello everyone, welcome back to Zander Aviation. Hope you all are having a good day, and let's get back into another video. Brazilian aircraft manufacturer Embraer unveiled 4 new sustainable aircraft concepts meant to enter service at the starting of 2030. The regional air travel designs are powered by 4 different propulsion technologies: hybrid electric, solely electric, hydrogen fuel cell, and dual fuel gas turbines. These aircraft are dubbed as the Energia family. While sustainable propulsion architecture concepts and new types of airframes have been in the works for some time now, the pandemic has accelerated the entire process. In particular, this applies to the regional air travel market. Despite Airbus and Boeing often getting the majority of the press attention, regional aircraft specialist Embraer is also proving a force to be reckoned with in the race to net zero emissions. The manufacturer's Senior Vice President of Engineering, Technology Development, and Corporate Strategy, Luis Carlos Afonso, took to the stage at the company's headquarters in Sao Jose do Campos in the state of Sao Paulo and introduced the audience to the 4 new aircraft concepts to be developed by Embraer over the coming decades. The first concept is Embraer's 9-seater hybrid electric concept, the E9HE. The 9-seater aircraft will rely on one piston engine and 2 electric motors. The electric motors will operate during takeoff and climbing. However, once the plane reaches its cruising altitude, they will switch it off, leaving the piston engine to operate at a 50% more efficient manner compared to today's turbine engines. The engines and propellers on all of Embraer new concepts are positioned at the back of the airframe. For the Energia Hybrid, this entails noise reduction of up to 60%. The Energia Hybrid will emit up to 90% less CO2 emissions when powered solely by sustainable aviation fuels. It will have a range of just 500 nautical miles, and Embraer expects it to enter service by 2030. Next up is the E19H2FC. The 19-seater aircraft will run on hydrogen electric propulsion, and it will start at a range of 200 nautical miles. But Mr. Afonso stated that it can be extended according to the wishes of the customers. The technology is expected to be ready by 2045, along with Energia Electric, and will also achieve zero-emission operations, producing 70% less noise compared to today's aircraft. Embraer expects to have a 35 to 50-seat aircraft powered by hydrogen, 100% SAF, or a combination of SAF and conventional jet fuel. Depending on the proportions of the latter, E50 H2 GT could also achieve a 100% reduction in CO2 emissions. This aircraft will have a range of 300 to 500 nautical miles and reduce external noise by up to 70%. Unlike its siblings in the Energia family, it will not have an electric motor or battery, but instead it will take use of a dual fuel gas turbine propulsion. It can utilize 100% hydrogen on shorter journeys, whereas SAF or conventional jet fuels will power longer routes. Embraer expects to bring the latest of the concepts it unveiled into service by 2040. Embraer intends to have all its aircraft certified for SAF compatibility by 2030. In August